you ever eaten something so slowly and mindfully that you actually felt grateful by the last bite? Not guilty, not distracted, just present. That's what mindful eating feels like. And in this final episode of Nourish the Mind, we're talking about how that kind of presence can help you heal from the inside out. Hi, I'm Jean. And over the past few weeks, we've explored how food fuels our brain, how emotions shape our cravings, and how awareness brings balance. Now, it's time to bring it all together, because healing isn't just about what's on your plate. It's about how you approach it. Mindful eating is more than a wellness trend. It's a way of rebuilding trust with your body. It invites you to slow down, to notice the flavors, the textures, the smells, and the emotions that rise as you eat. It teaches you that food isn't an enemy to control. It's a companion to understand. You don't need candles or meditation music to do it. You just need one meal and 5 quiet minutes. Try this next time you eat. Put your phone away. Take a breath before your first bite. Notice the color, the aroma, the feeling of anticipation. And then, as you chew, listen to your thoughts. Are you rushing? Are you judging yourself? Or simply enjoying it? That moment of awareness, that's healing in motion. When I first tried mindful eating, I discovered that I ate salad like I'm late for a train. It was humbling and also kind of funny because it showed me how often we eat in hurry mode, not nourishment mode. Mindfulness gives you back the moment you lost to multitasking. In my many years in behavioral health, I saw that people often carry invisible stories into every meal. Stress, guilt, body image, old family patterns. Mindful eating helps rewrite those stories. It allows you to notice hunger cues, honor fullness, and let go of the clean your plate mindset many of us grew up with. You learn to ask not how much I should eat, but what does my body need right now? That shift from control to connection, that's the real balance. Healing from the inside out isn't fast. It's small, daily kindnesses. Eating when you're hungry, resting when you're tired, forgiving yourself when you slip. Because food is only half the nourishment. The other half is how you speak to yourself while you're eating. So here's the challenge. Choose one meal this week to eat mindfully. Sit down and breathe. And notice what it feels like to be nourished instead of numbed. That single act can quiet anxiety, ease digestion, and lift your energy, because when you eat with awareness, your brain finally feels safe enough to rest. Healing starts where judgment ends. When we treat eating as an act of respect, not punishment, we begin to heal far more than our appetite. We heal the mind and we heal our hearts. Thank you for sharing this Nourish the Mind journey with me. If this series inspired you, please subscribe and share it with someone who's ready to start healing from the inside out. And remember, the most powerful nutrition isn't just what you eat. It's how you care for yourself while you eat it. Until next time, take good care of yourself from the inside out.